Prepositions of time. Hello, everyone. Today we will learn prepositions of time. Listen and repeat. At sunrise. At sunset. At noon. At midnight. At night. At 7 o'clock. At 10 p.m. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. In January. In 2026. In summer. In winter. On Monday. On Tuesday. On Friday. On my birthday. On the weekend. On June 10th. I wake up at 7 o'clock. She sleeps at night. We eat dinner at sunset. The stars shine at night. I study English in the morning. He works in the afternoon. They watch TV in the evening. We travel in summer. My birthday is in January. She was born in 2026. I play football on Monday. We visit grandma on Sunday. School starts on Tuesday. The party is on June 10th. The family meets on the weekend. Listen again. At sunrise. At sunset. At night. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. On Monday. On Friday. On the weekend. Great job. Now you know prepositions of time. Hope you enjoyed learning prepositions of time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.